In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious homemade mashed potatoes recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 3 pounds of russet potatoes, clean, washed, and cubed, 1 cup of milk, 1 stick of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. In a pot over heat, we're going to add in our diced potatoes. Now add in 5 cups of cold water. Add in the salt. Add the lid and cook the potatoes completely. Once the potatoes are cooked, you can use a fork to test if the potatoes are cooked completely. Once done, remove from heat and strain the water. Add in the melted butter. Use a potato masher to mash the potatoes and combine with the butter. Now we're going to slowly add in the milk and keep mashing the potatoes. Once the potatoes are completely mashed and smooth, you can place it on a plate and top with whatever toppings you like. We chose to use melted butter and parsley. Our homemade mashed potato recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.